So a few weeks ago, I crashed my DJI Mini 3 Pro. I was gutted. Issues were going on with this drone throughout the day. I didn't respond to them. The drone crashed. What's happened since? I want to do a really quick video to let you know this and try and treat this whole thing as a learning curve. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I was flying this drone. It was drifting to the side. It wasn't flying as it should have been. I should have brought the drone back and investigated. I didn't. I wanted to get some good footage to make a good video for you guys. It went wrong. It's in the bottom of a really deep lake. And the other issue, I didn't have DJI Care Refresh. If I did, this whole thing could have been solved really quickly. Whose fault was it? Mine or the drones? I was putting myself 100% accountable. I shouldn't have been flying really low in freezing conditions. However, I contacted DJI as the first thing to do. Now, I also had so many messages from you guys offering support, from divers saying they're going to go into this lake and recover it, from people offering me a submarine drone to go and find where it is. It is awesome. Thanks so much to everybody who has reached out. It really means a lot. But I want to see what DJI would say as the first thing. Now, I spoke to them as a normal customer. I went through their website. I didn't go through any private channels. I bought this drone out of my own money. I didn't have DJI Care Refresh, so I wanted to see what it would be like as a normal customer. They have no idea about this video, no idea I made the previous video. This is just from a customer standpoint. I want to just say that as full transparency. So what I did first of all, I went to their website, went to the live chat, just explained to them what had happened, said I couldn't recover it. So they wanted me to fill in a case, which was a flyaway case, even though I didn't have DJI Care Refresh. So I filled all them details in, sent it over. Now, brilliantly, on the DJI controller, on either your phone or the controller here, you can see your flight logs. If you go into profile, and then you can see your logs on the screen. Now you can sync them. I'll link in the top of the description how to do that. DJI can then see them logs. But in my situation, they wanted to see what was going wrong the whole day. So I had to send my text files. So to get your drone log text files on this controller, you just plug this controller into your computer. You will then see on the screen the text files. You can just basically copy them and then send them over to them, and that's what I did on an email. Then what happens? So I've sent them over and the technical support team will now be able to see the actual logs, so fully detailed about what's gone on. So the stick movements, you'll be able to see the location, how erratic you were flying, and determine what had gone wrong. But because it was issues throughout the day, it was drifting to the side, they wanted to see all them logs to see what had been happening. Now this is fantastic because literally 24 hours later, I had an email back from them, really short and sweet, to say that they've looked at all the logs and they determined that it was actually a drone malfunction, the reason for the crash, not pilot error. Meaning they're going to replace that drone. Fantastic news. And then what was even better, 24 hours later, DHL arrived with a package from DJI, including the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the drone itself, a new battery, the card or some letter from DJI about the DJI customer care, and a DJI black pen, which I've never seen before. So this is fantastic customer service, and I've had so many messages from people saying that similar circumstances has happened to them. They've contacted DJI and they've replaced their drone for free as well. And this is what's great. Even if you don't have DJI Care Refresh or any insurance plan, before you go out and replace your drone with cash yourself, contact DJI first, send them the logs. It's worth a shot, isn't it? In my situation, I was holding myself accountable. I shouldn't have been flying solo over a lake in freezing conditions. But they've determined that it wasn't my fault because the stick movements show that I didn't press down on that stick when it's gone down. So something was going wrong with that drone. So the first thing I'll be doing is getting on here, DJI Care Refresh. As soon as it's activated, that's the number one thing I'll be doing. It's an added peace of mind. I have it on my other products. I'm not sure why I didn't have it on here. It doesn't make sense. But yeah, go and make sure you go and buy DJI Care Refresh if you're buying a new drone this holiday season. But the customer service is really good and it's great to see. But I wanted to say thanks so much to you guys. I am going to make a video, I think, on trying to recover this drone. I think that will make a really good video. But overall, I've been really overwhelmed with the support from you guys contacting me, offering different levels of support to get this drone, and it means so much. So have a fantastic Christmas, fantastic New Year. The Mini 3 Pro is back. Loads more videos coming on this, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.